Hello, kids! Welcome to today's lesson. We're going to learn how animals move. Some animals fly, some animals swim, some animals crawl, and some can even jump, climb, or run. Are you ready? Let's go explore together. I am a butterfly. I fly with my colorful wings. I am an owl. I fly at night silently. I am a horse. I can run very fast. I am a cheetah. I can run faster than any animal. I am a fish. I swim in the water. I am a dolphin. I swim and jump in the sea. I am a monkey. I can climb trees quickly. I am a kangaroo. I jump high and far. I am a frog. I can jump and swim. I am a snake. I crawl on the ground. I am a lizard. I crawl on the wall. Wow, kids, you did amazing today! We learned how animals fly, swim, crawl, jump, climb, and run. Great job! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so you can all learn together. See you next time for another fun English adventure. Bye-bye!